Was sitting in Baba's love and remembering Baba. So taking that love, remembrances, when I was offering bhog to Baba, Baba gave very, very loveful drishti to everyone. And then Baba gave me drishti. Then Baba is asking, are you all happy? So what to say? I said, yes, I am happy. And Baba looked around and asked everyone. And I think most of you did say, Baba, yes, I am happy. So Baba said that, I said, Baba, I brought bhog, and so Baba accepted bhog. So Baba said, okay, if you are happy, what about contentment? So what should I reply? Contentment? Yeah, let me see hands. Contentment, right. So Baba said that if you always remember that fortune maker is Baba, and Baba not only guides you, but gives you company, but you should have awareness that I am playing my part, and part given to me by Baba. Not only I am playing my part, but part I am playing is given to me by Baba. Baba takes care of every child. So I look at Baba, you have so many children, how you do with every child. So Baba says that because every child has connection with Baba, right? So whosoever is connected with Powerhouse or whosoever is connected with the director of the drama. So everyone will be, Baba will pay attention, Baba will give them power, Baba will guide them. So it's not question of too many children, right? Children just need to have connection with me. Think of me, remember me, have love with me. While doing karma yoga, make me your companion, different ways. So once you have that connection with Baba, then Baba is taking care of everyone. And Baba said that most of the children, they pay attention, so they keep their connection with Baba. But sometimes it does happen that connection get broken. So I was looking at Baba, that how connection. So Baba says, if intellect and the mind is influenced by any situation, and that situation, the thoughts about that situation keep coming in your mind and intellect, then your connection with Baba get lost. So always remember that whatever is happening in drama is beneficial. And also always remember that Baba is looking at me, Baba is with me. Even you don't feel it, but think that way. And then you will see how actively Baba plays part also with you in your this beautiful, auspicious life. So Baba is taking care, Baba is providing sustenance. And Baba said, as much you progress, yes, there will be different forms where your powers and virtues will be tested. If you think, I have a lot of patience, it may be 80% for patience. So the circumstances will be such which will test your patience. And you will say, I was shaken little bit. I got little bit irritated, not much. So you will know that 30% is less, it's not 100%. So scenes of drama will come to make you 100%. And it is through your thoughts. If you have a lot of wasteful thoughts, wasteful thinking of intellect, you will know that I'm losing track a little bit. So Baba said, but that also, you shouldn't be concerned. Immediately pay attention and say, oh, I have to increase my power of tolerance, maybe. So whichever power you find is less in percentage, that means you are shaken or have wasteful thoughts. Immediately pay attention and start accumulating that power. So Baba says, you are connected. So Baba keeps giving love, light, might, everything you get, keep getting from Baba. And always remember, whatever I'm doing, Baba has given me this part to play. So play with happiness and contentment. Baba gave lots of love remembrances. And also for all those who offered bhog, lots of love, special love from Baba for everyone. Om Shanti.